The current burning issue is farmers' agitation opposing new farm bills. To understand what the bill is about, let's get into the details. 41% of India's workforce is employed in agricultural sector, followed by 32% in service sector, and the rest 26% are employed in industrial sector. Farmer first chooses a crop to grow in his land based on previous year rainfall, yield per acre, and numerous conditions. Then he starts tilling his land as a preparatory step. Then he chooses from variety of seeds available in the market. Once he procured the seeds, they are sown in the field. They start irrigating the field, and the frequency of irrigation and water required varies from crop to crop. He also uses fertilizers and pesticides for better yield and to keep away from the pests. He keeps monitoring the growth of the field as his own child. Finally, if everything goes accordingly, the harvest is ready. Let's say a customer pays 1000 rupees for 25 kgs of rice bag. Farmer gets only 200 rupees, which is a meager 20% of what we are paying. After the harvest, farmer carries his produce to the nearest APMC or mandis. These mandis are controlled by government. Traders or retailers who are licensed gather here to buy produce from farmer in an auction. Auction? That sounds interesting, right? We think that the farmers get better prices, but it's a big no. The corrupted officials of APMC and traders come to a common agreement and fix the price to their favor. To curb the exploitation, government has introduced minimum support price. So no one can buy below this price. An estimated 30% of produce in India is getting wasted. Do you know why? We are not able to feed the hunger of millions of poor Indians not because we are short of grains or food, but lack of better supply chain. Even today, rural India lack of proper roads and easy transportation of their goods. Also, we don't have enough storage or godowns to store the produce. Farmers now can sell their produce outside of the mandis directly to big corporations like Reliance Fresh, Spencer's for better prices. Point number 1. Burden on the government will get reduced as mandis will slowly vanish. Farmers will get better prices for their produce. A better supply chain gets established. That means the food wastage problem gets resolved because now the storage processing of food is corporates' problem. Corporates only work for profits in a very optimized manner. Okay, everything looks alright. Then what are farmers agitating for? Exploitation from big players is the concern. So the government recently guaranteed that MSP system will stay. In my opinion, all these days, farmer is given a golden crown in our hearts and is made to sit on throne of thorns. Let's see if these farm bills can change the throne into gold.